Hello everyone, and welcome to my page dedicated to sustainable and responsible investing. The aim of this video is to elaborate on the notion of sustainability. Sustainability is a broad term and can be defined in various ways. One of the most used definitions of sustainability, or sustainable and being sustainable, is such that caters to the needs of the current generation without compromising the needs of the future generations. In simpler terms, a sustainable business is able to maintain its business models long-term so that it uses the resources responsibly or without wasting them. Now, there are obviously many related terms that drive people to talk about sustainability and that sometimes are used interchangeably. For example, recycling, or a way of reprocessing the waste and reintroducing it into the production. Or, for example, circular economy, or such an economy that uses the resources as long as possible and minimizes the waste. Sustainability enjoys an unprecedented attention these last years, and many investment products are being labeled according to sustainability standards. In the next video, I will show you how sustainability is perceived within the investment world. The aim of this short video is to introduce you to the green corner on UMushroom. The green corner is there